Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss objective or fill in the blanks type questions. So we have 10 questions. The first one is hematite ore is concentrated by. So we know that hematite ore is concentrated by gravity separation method. So the answer will be B, gravity separation. Second question, cinnabar is the ore of. We know that cinnabar is the ore of Hg, mercury, because formula of cinnabar is Hgs. So the correct answer is C, Hg. Cinnabar is the ore of mercury, Hg. Let's talk about question number 3. Question number 3 says blister copper is. We have already discussed when I am in extraction of copper. When I study extraction of copper, I will discuss blister copper. We got blister coppers in base method. So after that we have to just one step left to extract pure copper, because base is fourth process. After that we are doing electrolytic refining. So the blister copper is impure copper, because blister copper is 90% pure. 10% impurity is present in blister copper. So the correct answer will be D, impure copper. Question number 4. Froth flotation process is used for concentration of the ore of sulfide ore. Froth flotation process is used for concentration of sulfide ore. So this is fill in the blanks type question. So we have to fill sulfide ore. Question number 5. Which of the following is not an ore of aluminium? So we know that the given option, bauxite is ore of aluminium, corundum is also ore of aluminium, and cryolite is also ore of aluminium. So the right answer will be C, calamine, because calamine is not an ore of aluminium. Okay, so the correct answer will be C, calamine, of question number 5. Question number 6. Extraction of zinc from zinc blende is achieved by. So the extraction of zinc from zinc blende is achieved by roasting, because जिंक सल्फाइड और सारे सल्फाइड और का हम लोग रोस्टिंग करते हैं. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी रोस्टिंग. बाय रोस्टिंग से हम लोग एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ जिंक करते हैं. उसकी जब ओर है, उसका जो ओर है जिंक ब्लेंड, उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी बी, रोस्टिंग, ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Bronze contain. So we know that bronze contain copper and Sn tin. The quantity of copper is 90% and tin will be 10%. So the correct option will be B, Sn 90% plus copper 90% plus Sn 10%. So the correct answer is B, of question number 7. Question number 8. Magnesium is ore of. So we know that magnesium is ore of aluminium and used to make aeroplane part. Magnesium is used to make aeroplane part. So the magnesium is an ore of aluminium and used to make aeroplane body, aeroplane part. Question number 9. Brass contain copper and zinc. Brass content copper 70% and zinc 30%. So the correct option is B for question number 9. Brass is non-ferrous alloy. Bronze is also non-ferrous alloy. Question number 10. Which of the following reduces Fe2O3 in blast furnace? So the correct option of this question is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide CO reduces Fe2O3 in blast furnace. So the correct answer will be carbon monoxide. This will be happen at 975 Kelvin to 1075 Kelvin in blast furnace, upper part of blast furnace. So the question number 10 answer will be B, carbon monoxide. So these are the questions of test 2 objective type question and fill in the blanks type question. So I hope this will be beneficial for you. Thank you.